In today's video, we will try to learn how to create a company with 10 configuration. For this, we will try to create a company first, then we will make this configuration. So, press F3, then go with create company. I took an example from our book, so I will put all these details according to our book, so you can just see how it is doing, and then you can put your all details. So I'll make this now company name is like TDS for understanding. The state is will be West Bengal, and hit press enter because I don't want to put any other details, so I'll just accept yes. Then here you have to make some changes. Nothing to change here. Come here, enable goods and services tax GST, it will be yes. Then we have to put all this detail here. It will be West Bengal regular GST UN number. I have another one number from our book, so we'll put this number. Just put this number from our book and nothing to change here except will be yes. Then set alter and company GST rate and other details, made it yes. Then if you have anything to put here, HSN and SAC details, you can put it here. Not defined for now, I put it not defined because I will select this on our basis. So just skip this, and the main thing is enable tax deducted at source. TDS made it yes by pressing Y. Then press enter. 10 registration number if you have to, then you have to put, I just put a random number. Oh, sorry. Just put a random number, and tax deducted I just put also a random number from our book, so just put this, and the deductor will be a company. I want to put just branch, I want to put mention Kolkata, just put this name Kolkata. Set or alter of person responsible, made it yes. Person responsible details, you can put it here. I just put a random name like is das. Designation I want to make like accountant. It's all just for example, you can put your all these details here. And PAN number, I just put a random number. You can put it all this detail, flat number, etc here. I don't want to put this. You can put it your phone number here and other details here. You can just put it here, otherwise just skip this. So ignore IT exemption limit for TDS deduction, I made it no for now. Active TDS for stock item, made it no. Then enable tax collected at source, I don't want to make changes or here, so I'll just skip this by pressing enter, or you can press Ctrl A for save the screen. Accept yes. The screen is completed, the 10 configuration is also completed, and the company creation is completed. You can show our company is showing here. So this is for today. Thank you for watching.